Kerrigan. We've neutralized the Protoss, but there's a wave of Zerg advancing on this position. We need immediate evac.
Belay that order. We're moving out.
What? You're not just gonna leave us?
All ships prepare to move away from Tarsonis on my mark.
Boys, how about that evac?
Damn you, Arcturus. Don't do this.
It's done. Helmsman, signal the fleet and take us out of orbit. Now!
Commander. Jim? What the hell's going on up there?
I've been cleaning up after you a lot lately.
Leave it alone, Matt.
Same dream?
I said, leave it alone.
What happened to Kerrigan wasn't your fault.
Which part? Where she got left behind? Or where she murdered 8 billion people?
Same old bullshit. You ain't gonna listen. Do you even see what you're becoming?
We are who we choose to be, Matt.
When you figure it out, let us know. We're waiting on you.
He's a bad, bad man, that Tychus. He got a lot to hide.
You think he's setting us up? His missions have been leading us straight to Kerrigan.
Maybe you and Kerrigan keep running into each other because you both want the same thing. But Tychus, there's something else he don't want you to know. I can't see what. Just watch your back. Always remember that he's a force of destruction, that one. A stone killer.
Kate Lockwell for UNN. The elusive Queen of Blades was spotted on Tirador recently. Dr. Emil Nerud, head of the renowned Mobius Foundation, had a run-in with the alien queen, but is currently unavailable for comment. In a statement, Dr. Nerud credited Raynor's raiders with keeping the Queen of Blades from achieving
Kate,
her—
I'm sorry to interrupt, but we have a breaking story. Apparently,
Go to commercial, please. Commercial.
What goes bump in the night? It might be your gifted child. Register your child with PsyOps today. It's the law. It's your duty.
Good to see you, sir. All available missions are ready for your perusal on the star map.
Matt, hell, just... thanks, I guess.
Yeah, I've been thinking about Tirador. And you know, there's gotta be better ways to make a fast buck than diving headlong into an alien invasion.
If it gets too hairy for you, just try and think of the money.
I'm trying, old buddy. I'm trying real hard. Mobius have got themselves set up again since a Zerg chased them out of their old place. They say they've worked out where to find another artifact. Lovely little place called Typhon.
The decrypted adjutant contains records proving Mengsk ordered the massacre on Tarsonis. Now we just need to broadcast those records. Mirahan gave us a tip that might help. The Dominion is unveiling a new war machine called the Odin on Core Hall. If we hijack the Odin, we can use it to gain access to the UNN studios and broadcast the records of Mengsk's war crimes. The Odin is currently in the testing facility on Valhalla.
There she is, Planet Typhon. Don't look so bad.
Yep, sensors indicate... Wait, what the... The star's energy output just jumped 500%. I've never seen anything like it.
Slow down, Matt. What's it mean?
It means the star will go nova in a few hours. Meantime, the planet's getting bombarded by waves of fire.
Fire. Why does it always have to be fire?
Well, the good news is, we've got a significant cache of supplies planetside, so we shouldn't need to build supply depots.
Well, that's something. So where's our artifact?
Right there. Smack dab in the middle of all them Protoss.
Our mobile structures can relocate and keep us just ahead of the fire, but we'll need to salvage everything we can't take with us.
You ain't seriously going down there.
Come on, partner. We got hours till that sun explodes.
Well, let's grab that artifact and get out of here before your Queen of Blades shows up looking for it.
I got my ears on.
Hope you brought your sunscreen, cowboy.
Now ain't the time, Swan.
Relax, hotshot. I got something useful for you. Banshees. These babies can blow the snot out of ground forces. Got cloaking, too. Gotta love that.
Fine.
Whoa, careful of those Protoss cannons. They can detect Banshees even when they're cloaked.
Nice job. Let's get our base up and running and get that artifact.
big job.
Not enough minerals.
Why not? Who wants some? SCV ready.
Warning, fire wave approaching.
Waiting on you.
Incoming transmission.
James Raynor, we anticipated your arrival. Now you will pay for desecrating our holy relics.
Oh, hell. Not these Tal'Darim guys again. They seriously need to learn when to quit.
Ears on.
Go ahead. SCV ready.
The doctor is in.
SCV ready. You gonna give me orders? Aye, aye, sir. SCV ready. Oh, yeah. You want a piece of me, boy? Yeah. Who wants some? Been waiting on you. Orders received. Armed and ready. Go, go, go! Why not? Roger that. This better be good.
Mineral field depleted.
You got it. You want a piece of me, boy? By the numbers, boys. You gonna give me orders?
Mineral field depleted.
This better be good. Sure. Who wants some? Oh yeah. Been waiting on you.
Loud and clear. Done and done.
We could use some help here.
I got this. The doctor is in. Inbound. That's fine. Engine screaming. No problem. The doctor is in. Right. Weapons hot.
Go ahead.
Mineral field depleted.
Better send some body bags.
Armed and ready.
Receiving. Holla back. Fine. Stealth mode.
This Tal'Darim base is in a good spot for us. We just need to clear them out and take possession.
I got loud and clear. Done and done. Turbines control.
Warning, fire wave arrival is imminent. Base evacuation required.
The Tal'Darim outpost to the east would make an excellent location to move our base to. We just need to clear them out and take possession.
Who wants some?
Mineral field depleted.
Mayday! Mayday!
Affirmative.
Mineral field depleted.
This better be good. In the rear with the gear.
Mineral field depleted.
Mayday! Mayday! Receiving. Holla back. Loud and clear.
By the numbers.
Mandarine base has been cleared. That should buy us a little elbow.
Our warrior's sacrifice was not in vain. We gladly marched towards death to ensure your doom.
This is in the rear with the gear, huh? Big job, huh? Go ahead. Move it. What's going on?
This better be good.
Receiving.
Add-on complete.
Who wants some?
Add-on complete.
Been waiting on you.
Not enough minerals. Not enough minerals. Add-on complete.
I got my ears on. No problem.
Not enough minerals. Not enough minerals.
Loud and clear. Done and done.
SCV ready.
The doctor is in. Stealth mode. Engine screaming. And
SCV ready.
right. Inbound. Weapons hot. That's fine. Roger that.
Fused up, ready to go.
Turbines to full. Fine. Engaging. Confirmed.
Ah! You scared me.
Engine screaming.
What's that? Lay it on me.
I got my ears
Ready
on.
to roll out.
Who wants some?
Is it critical?
Go ahead.
Upgrade complete.
Fueled up, ready to go.
Receiving.
Give us your best shot.
You want a piece of me, boy?
Loud and clear. Right. I got this. Can do. Turbines to full. No problem.
Armed and ready.
Confirmed.
Ready to roll out.
Done and done. That's fine.
This better be good.
How about engine screaming? Fine.
Mineral field depleted. Mineral field depleted.
Who wants some?
Mineral field depleted.
Armed gangway coming through.
Upgrade.
Who wants some? We could use some help here. By the numbers, boys. Oh, yeah. Of course. Oh, this better be good.
Mineral field depleted.
Armed and ready. We could use some help here. By the number. You gonna give me orders?
Mineral field depleted.
The doctor is in.
Bad news? Yep.
Loud and clear. No problem. Where does it hurt? That's a serious...
Been waiting on you. Lay it on me. Big job, huh? What's going? Go ahead. Got no... What's that?
Receiving. Weapons hot.
By the numbers, boys. Huh? What's our target? Speak up. Go ahead. Give us your best. Lay it on me. We could use some help here.
Add-on complete. Upgrade complete. Not enough minerals. Add-on complete. Add-on complete. Not enough minerals.
What's going on? SCV ready. Bad news?
Yeah? How about...
SCV ready.
What needs killing?
It's your dime. SCV ready. Uh-huh.
Explorer reporting. Go on. Excellent. What needs killing? How devious. My pleasure.
Not enough minerals.
What needs killing?
Gangway. Coming.
Mineral field depleted.
What's going on?
Upgrade complete.
This better be good. We hear you.
Better send some body bags. Engine screaming.
Yo. Big job, huh?
What needs killing?
Mineral field depleted. Mineral field depleted.
What?
The doctor is in.
Devious. Victory is ours.
Engine screaming.
Gangway, coming through.
Mineral field depleted. Mineral field depleted.
This better be good.
What?
Mineral field.
We could use some help here. Give me some. Can't wait.
What's on your mind? At the ready. On the move.
Upgrade complete.
Victory is ours. I like it. My pleasure. How devious. Of course. Excellent.
Not enough minerals.
Go on. My pleasure. On the move.
Okay, the artifact's secure. Saddle up, people. We're out of here.
We will pursue you to the end of the universe, James Raynor. 1,000 deaths cannot atone for your wanton sacrilege.